Miyam baham mangtada Manipur ngai na tram nokchari. Ngasi topic se current affairs or general awareness ko. SSC amadi ko beng da magi mark se koi gi 50 to 75 ne comments ta ko. Si video je koi gi 6 months ni ko. Have this since January to koi gi till June gi ne ko. Aduna atai koi video yeng draga jo si video se si khak yeng ya ne he.
Official length of India's coastline. Correct answer is option C, 11,098.8 kilometers. Who has been crowned Miss World 2025 held in Hyderabad? Correct answer is option D, Suchata Chuangasri. Who became the first Kannada writer to win the International Booker Prize in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Banu Mushtaq. In April 2025, which extinct wolf species was revived by US scientists? Correct answer is option B, Wolf. Who has been appointed as the Chief Executive of the India Semiconductor Mission? Correct answer is option C, Amitesh Kumar Sinha. In April 2025, India suspended the Indus Water Treaty. In which year was this treaty signed? Correct answer is option C, 1960. Where was the 6th edition of India and Uzbekistan joint military exercise Dust-Lik held? Correct answer is option C, Pune, Maharashtra. How many locomotives did India produce in the year 2024-25, surpassing the US and Europe? Correct answer is option C, 1,681. Which national park was declared as the 58th Tiger Reserve of India? Correct answer is option D, Madhav National Park. Who took oath as the 52nd Chief Justice of India on 14th May 2025? Correct answer is option C, Justice B.R. Gavai. Where was the 9th edition of the Global Technology Summit held from 10 to 12 April 2025? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Which country became the 9th member of the BRICS New Development Bank? Correct answer is option C, Algeria. Who has been appointed as the new Secretary of the Department of Revenue, Ministry of Finance? Correct answer is option C, Arvind Srivastav. What is the new name of the 132-year-old Foy Sagar Lake in Ajmer? Correct answer is option B, Varun Sagar. Where was the 18th edition of India-Nepal joint military exercise Surya Kiran held? Correct answer is option C, Saljhandi, Nepal. Who is set to become the first woman Chief Justice of India on September 23, 2027? Correct answer is option D, Justice B.V. Nagratna. Which country hosted the 6th BIMSTEC Summit on 4 April 2025? Correct answer is option C, Thailand. Who was appointed new Controller General of Defence Accounts in the Ministry of Defence? Correct answer is option D, Dr. Mayank Sharma. Which country hosted the first G20 Trade and Investment Working Group meeting from 18 to 20 March 2025? Correct answer is option D, South Africa. Where was the 8th Indian Ocean Conference held on 16 February 2025? Correct answer is option B, Muscat, Oman. Which military operation was conducted by India against terror camps in Pakistan and POK? Correct answer is option C, Operation Sindoor. Where will India's first white tiger breeding center be established? Correct answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. Which state topped Niti Aayog's Fiscal Health Index 2025 ranking? Correct answer is option C, Odisha. In which state was India's first onboard train ATM trial run conducted? Correct answer is option D, Maharashtra. Which rank has been given to India in the Climate Risk Index 2025? Correct answer is option D, 6th. Who has been appointed as the CEO of the Unique Identification Authority of India? Correct answer is option C, Bhuvnesh Kumar. Former Army Chief General V.K. Singh was appointed as the governor of which state? Correct answer is option D, Mizoram. Masali village, which has become India's first solar border village, is located in which state? Correct answer is option C, Gujarat. In which state was India's first glass sea bridge inaugurated on 30th December 2024? Correct answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. Annual meeting of the World Economic Forum 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, Switzerland. Which country has officially declared the bald eagle as its national bird in December 2024? Correct answer is option B, America. Where did PM Narendra Modi inaugurate the Vizhinjam International Seaport on 2nd May 2025? Correct answer is option D, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Who has become the first female officer of CISF to climb Mount Everest? Correct answer is option C, Geeta Samota. Which state secured first position in Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. Which state has become the first fully literate state in India, achieving a literacy rate of 98.2%? Correct answer is option B, Mizoram. Who has been appointed as the chairman of National Security Advisory Board? Correct answer is option C, Alok Joshi. The 23rd edition of the naval exercise Varuna was held between India and which country in March 2025? Correct answer is option B, France. Who was appointed as the new chairman of Securities and Exchange Board of India? Correct answer is option D, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. By what percentage has India's tiger population increased over the past 2 decades? Correct answer is option C, 30%. Who was appointed as the new chairman of Indian Banks Association in March 2025? Correct answer is option D, Challa Srinivasulu Sethi. According to the Vulture Census 2025, which state has recorded the highest population of vultures in India? Correct answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the 23rd Law Commission of India? Correct answer is option C, Justice Dinesh Maheshwari. What is India's ranking among 147 countries in the World Happiness Report 2025? Correct answer is option C, 118th. Where is India's first green waste processing plant based on public-private partnership model established? Correct answer is option C, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Who won the Grammy Award in 2025 for the Best New Age Album, Ambient or Chant Album category? Correct answer is option B, Chandrika Tandon. How many river dolphins were recorded in India in the first ever estimation survey released in March 2025? Correct answer is option C, 6,327. Which state topped India's bird count for the 3rd consecutive year? Correct answer is option D, West Bengal. Who was appointed to lead the RBI's monetary policy and economic research departments? Correct answer is option C, M. Rajeshwar Rao. Who has been honored with the Sangeeta Kalanidhi Award 2025? Correct answer is option D, R. K. Sri Ramkumar. Who topped the medal tally of the first Khelo India Beach Games 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Manipur. What is India's rank among 33 countries in the Free Speech Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, 24th. Which country hosted the Sea Dragon 2025 naval exercise? Correct answer is option D, United States. Who became the first Indian to receive the Ramsar Award for wetland wise use? Correct answer is option C, Jayashree Venkateswaran. Which region recorded the world's highest snow leopard density with 477 individuals? Correct answer is option D, Ladakh. Which city became the headquarters of the 69th Division under the Northern Railway Zone? Correct answer is option B, Jammu. Which company became the first Indian company to develop pipes for transporting hydrogen? Correct answer is option C, Tata Steel. Who has been awarded the 59th Gyanpith Award for 2024 for his contribution to Hindi literature? Correct answer is option D, Vinod Kumar Shukla. Who became the first woman and first African president of the International Olympic Committee? Correct answer is option C, Kirsty Coventry. Who has been awarded the Gold Mercury Award 2025 for Peace and Sustainability? Correct answer is option B, Dalai Lama. Which country has ranked as the world's happiest for the 8th consecutive year? Correct answer is option B, Finland. Who was appointed as a full-time member of PM Modi's Economic Advisory Council? Correct answer is option D, Sanjay Kumar Mishra. Which team won the 15th Hockey India Senior Women National Championship 2025? Correct answer is option D, Hockey, Jharkhand. Which state in India exported anthurium flowers for the first time to Singapore? Correct answer is option B, Mizoram. Who became the first Indian to receive the highest civilian award of Mauritius in March 2025? Correct answer is option D, Narendra Modi. Simlipal Tiger Reserve became the 107th National Park of India. It is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Odisha. Who has been elected chairman of the Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage? Correct answer is option D, Ashok Singh Thakur. Who has been appointed as a full-time member of the Niti Aayog? Correct answer is option B, Rajiv Gauba. Which Indian state became the first to launch its own satellite? Correct answer is option B, Assam. Who became the first Indian to receive the prestigious Fred Darrington Sandmaster Award? Correct answer is option B, Sudarshan Patnaik. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveil Indian Railways' first 9,000 HP locomotive engine? Correct answer is option B, Dahod, Gujarat. In which state did Prime Minister Modi inaugurate the new Pamban rail bridge? Correct answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. Who has been appointed as the private secretary to PM Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option B, Nidhi Tiwari. Which countries participated in the Maritime Security Belt 2025 naval exercise? Correct answer is option B, China, Iran and Russia. Who was honored with Maharashtra's highest civilian award, Maharashtra Bhushan? Correct answer is option B, Ram Sutar. Which Indian Navy ship participated in the Bongosagar 2025 exercise conducted between India and Bangladesh? Correct answer is option C, INS Ranveer. Who has taken charge as the Chief Executive of Indian Banks Association in March 2025? Correct answer is option B, Atul Kumar Goyal. India defeated which team to win the ICC Champions Trophy 2025? Correct answer is option D, New Zealand. Which country participated with India in the 13-day thrice service exercise Tiger Triumph 2025? Correct answer is option B, USA. Which country conferred the Mitra Vibhushana Award on Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option C, Sri Lanka. Which country has the strongest passport in the world according to the Nomad Passport Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, Ireland. Which country has become the 10th full member of the BRICS group? Correct answer is option C, Indonesia. Who was appointed as the chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission? Correct answer is option D, V. Ramasubramaniam. Which country has become the third largest metro rail network in the world? Correct answer is option B, India. How many distinguished individuals were honored with the Padma Awards in 2025? Correct answer is option C, 139. Which film won the Best Film Award at the Oscar Awards 2025? Correct answer is option B, Anora. Who won the men's singles title in the Australian Open 2025 tennis tournament? Correct answer is option B, Jannik Sinha. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of BrahMos, DRDO, and CEO and MD of BrahMos Aerospace? Correct answer is option D, Jaitirth Raghavendra Joshi. Which country was certified malaria-free by the World Health Organization in January 2025? Correct answer is option B, Georgia. Who has been appointed as the chairman of ISRO and secretary of the Department of Space? Correct answer is option D, Dr. V. Narayanan. Which company launched India's first hydrogen-powered heavy-duty truck trial? Correct answer is option C, Tata Motors. Which country topped the Human Development Index in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Iceland. Who secured the first position in the UPSC Civil Services Examination 2024 as announced on 22 April 2025? Correct answer is option C, Shakti Dubey. Golden Dragon 2025 military exercise was conducted between China and which country? Correct answer is option D, Cambodia. The president of which country has created a world record by organizing the longest press conference? Correct answer is option B, Maldives. Which city has been officially declared as India's first beggar-free city? Correct answer is option B, Indore. Which state government launched India's first AI news anchor Ankita in a regional language? Correct answer is option B, Assam. Who has won the World Food Prize 2025 for Sustainable Agricultural Innovation? Correct answer is option D, Mariangela Hungaria. What is India's rank in the 2025 Human Development Index ranking? Correct answer is option B, 130. Jagadguru Rambhadracharya was awarded the 58th Gyanpith Award for his contribution to the literature of which language? Correct answer is option D, Sanskrit. According to the 2025 lion census, by what percentage did the population of Asiatic lions in Gujarat increase since 2020? Correct answer is option C, 32%. Which country did India surpass to become the world's fourth largest economy? Correct answer is option C, Japan. Who was appointed as the new chairman of the Union Public Service Commission in May 2025? Correct answer is option C, Ajay Kumar. Which state became the 24th state or union territory to achieve 100% electrification of its railway tracks? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Who won the gold medal in the Miss World 2025 Sports Challenge? Correct answer is option C, Elise Randma. Who has been elected as the new Chancellor of Germany in May 2025? Correct answer is option C, Friedrich Merz. A team of surgeons from which country has performed the world's first human bladder transplant? Correct answer is option D, America. Anurag Bhushan has been appointed as the ambassador of India to which country? Correct answer is option B, Sweden. Where was the 67th governing body meeting of the Asian Productivity Organization held? Correct answer is option B, Jakarta. Which Indian city's airport recorded a 7.7% passenger growth in 2024-25? Correct answer is option C, Guwahati. Who has been awarded the 34th Saraswati Samman in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Sadhu Bhadresh Das. Where was the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention held in January 2025? Correct answer is option C, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. In March 2025, Operation Brahma was a humanitarian relief operation carried out by India in which country? Correct answer is option C, Myanmar. Which country built a railway station using 3D printed components in under 6 hours, marking a world first? Correct answer is option B, Japan. Which word was declared the Oxford Word of the Year 2024 by Oxford University Press? Correct answer is option C, brain rot. Who has been appointed as the new chairperson of the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority? Correct answer is option D, Siva Subramanian Raman. Who became the first Indian origin musician to win an American Music Award? Correct answer is option C, Raja Kumari. Who was appointed as the first woman law secretary of India in March 2025? Correct answer is option C, Dr. Anju Rathi Rana. Who has been appointed as the new governor of the Reserve Bank of India in December 2024? Correct answer is option C, Sanjay Malhotra. The two-day Global Investors Summit 2025 was held in which Indian city? Correct answer is option B, Bhopal. Who was awarded the 2025 Abel Prize for outstanding contributions to algebraic analysis and representation theory? Correct answer is option D, Masaki Kashiwara. Subscribe this channel for general knowledge, current affairs, GK questions and answers videos.